Eating more deeply colored orange vegetables like carrots can help decrease the risk of cardiovascular disease. Regardless of other cardiovascular risks, current research indicates that drinking carrot juice benefits heart health. By lowering oxidative stress and improving the body's defense against various forms of cardiovascular disease. High plasma levels of alpha and beta-carotene are also associated with a lower risk of atherosclerosis. This effect is likely due to the high antioxidant and high fiber content that carrots contain. They work to lower cholesterol and boost bile production, which increases the body's ability to digest fat. They are a good source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. This not only helps your digestive system to absorb nutrition from your food properly but also directly impacts the good cholesterol levels in your body. Fiber can help to remove excess LDL cholesterol from the walls of arteries and blood vessels. Additionally, they provide potassium, which is beneficial for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Carrot is a vegetable that contains lots of nutrients that have been found to help the entire body system. It has essential fiber, vitamins, and minerals which help to keep diseases away from us. For the heart, carrot has been found to always keep the heart in good condition because it has strong antioxidants like lycopene which helps fight diseases. Also, carrot has potassium which helps to control blood pressure which stands to be a contributory factor for heart disease. Apart from the heart, carrot has been found to help in other parts of the body like boosting the immune system because of the presence of vitamin C. The vitamin K and calcium contained in it help to keep the bones strong. People who suffer from constipation and stomach disorders are advised to eat a carrot because it contains fibers that ease constipation and make you feel better.